All right, folks, see that right there? Kind of hard to see, but right now I'm streaming internet. I'm walking into my backyard, and it's thanks to this little thing right here. It's a device that will allow you to expand your Wi-Fi. So we're going to talk about it here on 911 Reviews. Oh, yeah! Hey folks, this is Adam from 911reviews.com. We've got a fun product for you today. It's an emergency review for you. That's what I like to say at the beginning of the videos. Now this came in the mail. Let's see if I can get this up on screen without too much glare. There we go. And honestly, lately I've been getting 3 to 5 products a day in the mail, and the best of the best, I try them all out, and the ones that I really like, I'll make a review, and I do 1 or 2 videos a day, maybe 1 video a day, depends on the day. And when I got this, it is a wireless adapter, USB 3.0 dual band 1200M wireless adapter, and when I got it, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna need this. All my devices already have wireless. What would I need that for, right? So then I tested it out, and I went out to the backyard, and I don't know if I'll be able to, like, the footage was kind of shaky. I don't know if I'll be able to use it or not. But I went out to the backyard. I went to the furthest corner of the yard with this plugged into my laptop to see if it would extend the range on my laptop. And you know what it did? It extended the range of my laptop, and it really did very well. I was able to go, my router is up here. You can see my backyard. You see that tree right out there? Then I went to the other side of the tree, and I was able to stream video. And that's an area I would normally not want to stream video necessarily there, but I never could stream video there. So the positive is this little wireless adapter, I'm going to throw this in my travel bag, is how many times have you been at a hotel and the Wi-Fi isn't great, or for me, I go on a cruise about once a year. And inevitably, somewhere that they put me on the cruise in the back of the ship is going to have the worst Wi-Fi ever, right? Like I'll have to stand in the corner of the room and keep my laptop just to get reception. Sit out on the balcony just to try to get reception. Well, this thing, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carry it with me when I travel. I'm gonna plug it in to extend my Wi-Fi range. So it's gonna pay off for me, and I thought, hey, this is an interesting product, because honestly, we all have those dead spots in our house, or those places we go, the coffee shop, whatever it is, where we can get on Wi-Fi, but it's not real great. You're traveling somewhere and you're at your cousin's house and you're staying in the guest room and you want to get on the internet, but the Wi-Fi coverage is poor at best. Well, this made a difference for me, and no tricks here. Like, I legitimately just went out to the back, and I don't know why. I mean, we're in Florida, so there's a couple mosquitoes back there. I didn't want to film for too long. I was swatting off mosquitoes while I was trying to film. It was all shaky. It was bad, but for all intents and purposes, I got great Wi-Fi connection way in the backyard. Now it does come with a little install CD, and I'm sure you can get the install stuff online as well. It says wait before, don't forget to activate your lifetime warranty. So there's a lifetime warranty on it. There's instructions that seem kind of complex, right? Legitimately, I just plugged it and it started working. I don't know, maybe that was just my particular situation. But there's, the little install disc. I think nowadays, even though they give you the install disc, a lot of times this stuff just sets up on its own. It's pretty intuitive, you just connect automatically. At least simple, right? So anyway, folks, wireless adapter 3.0 USB. I'll put a link in the description below. A very good quality product that you're going to want to mess with, you're going to want to purchase. Make sure to check it out. I've got some videos playing right now that are streaming from 911reviews.com. So go ahead and check out our website. Click like and subscribe. I think that's actually a commercial from our website. Click like and subscribe. We have great videos all the time. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. If you want to sponsor a video, you want to send us a product, email us at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. Click like and subscribe. We have new videos seemingly several times a day now. I'm Adam, 911 Reviews. Adios, amigos. Thumbnail.